Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab chili. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll want about 2 pounds of fresh crab, which is perfect for this recipe. For the flavorful base, make sure you have chili paste, minced garlic, ginger, and shallots ready. Don't forget a few tablespoons of cooking oil and some chicken broth to create the delicious sauce. Finally, have fresh cilantro and lime wedges on hand for a bright, finishing touch. Now, let's get our crab ready for cooking. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the crab under cold, running water. This ensures it's fresh and free of any impurities. Next, carefully crack the crab claws and legs. This crucial step allows the delicious chili sauce to really soak into the meat. Then, cut the crab body into 2 or 4 manageable pieces, making it easier to eat. Once prepared, set your crab aside as we move on to the sauce. The heart of our dish is the chili sauce, so let's craft it carefully. Start by heating a few tablespoons of oil in a wok or large pan. Sauté your minced garlic, ginger, and shallots until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili paste, cooking it for about 2 minutes to deepen its flavor. Pour in 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. Finally, season with salt, sugar, and a splash of soy sauce, adjusting to your preference. It's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your prepared crab pieces to the simmering chili sauce, ensuring they are well coated. Let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the crab turns a vibrant red and is thoroughly cooked. If you prefer a thicker sauce, stir in a cornstarch slurry until it reaches your desired consistency. To finish, garnish generously with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious crab chili immediately, perhaps with some steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.